Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, the market has now kind of recovered in my opinion, and I'm past my initial shock at seeing the way NVDA got battered despite great results, but I still believe in the company. But today we're going to talk about the index in general, where the market is going, and go through all our AI and genomic stocks one by one, and we'll do it very quickly and to the point. Let's get started. See you soon. Hey guys, I'm down here. I'm going to talk about what's happening in the market today. We are in the NASDAQ futures right now. Let me go in there and click on the futures. And this is the NASDAQ futures. It's up 1.10%. Market is still on, and it has shown us that it has created a new higher low, which means that we are definitely in a bull channel at this point of time. I'm very relieved to see that, and it's got the support of the 50-day exponential as well as the 20-day exponential and the 9-day exponential. So that's really good news. And the fact that we have these shorter term exponential moving averages crossing over the longer ones are golden crosses, which is again a bullish sign. So I'm very happy about this. These are daily candles out here. So it's looking good. We are above average in the momentum, as well as the momentum is moving in the right direction. It's picking up. So that's again another good news. And our MACD is still bullish. That's also good news. Let's quickly hop over to QQQ and see where it ended. And as expected, of course, I shouldn't say as expected. I expected that we would bounce off 474.19, which is this horizontal line of support. Instead, we bounced off the 20-day exponential moving average, and we bounced off it yesterday and again today. And the body of our candle today is well above the next support, which was 474.19, and thereby it has formed a new higher low. So again, we are getting back into bullishness out here in QQQ. You can see the momentum also picking up, as well as the MACD. It will be a similar situation with NASDAQ as well. Now, having said that, let us go on and have a look at our AI candidates first. Google has smartly recovered, and it's gone up 1.05%, but post market it's down 0.22. But overall, I'm very happy that it's gone above this line of support of 164.49. Momentum is improving, though it is below average. MACD is still bullish. That's good. Tesla is up 3.8%. Tesla continues to surprise me, and Tesla is definitely trying to break this diagonal line of resistance, which has been creating a bearish channel for it. So I hope that it can break through, but I've already sold all my Tesla. I've had the heaviest losses of any share on my that's happened on Tesla, and I'm still trying to recover from that. Now let us look at Apple, which is down 0.34%, but it had got a smart recovery, and it's still above the 9-day exponential and all the exponential moving averages. Momentum is still above average. MACD is still bullish, still looking good. Meta is up 0.60%. Amazon is up 3.17%. And we have Microsoft also up 0.97%. AMD is up 2.28%. Palantir has marched up sharply by 1.55%. And my beloved FNGU put on 18.21. So some of my purchases in the last 2 days have now become profitable out there. And then I look at NVDA. NVDA is up 1.51%. And we can see that we have a very narrow trading range today for NVIDIA, and it is a doji candle, where it's a candle of indecision, bounded on the top by the 20-day exponential moving average, and on the bottom by the 50-day exponential moving average, and it's still within a bullish wedge out here, and it needs to break out on the upside. If we look at the momentum, we are just about average, so momentum has improved. MACD is just on top of the signal line. It's still bullish, but just on top of the signal line. I'm hoping for better things to happen for NVIDIA in the following week, when the initial reaction from the earnings has dissipated. Now let us go on to have a look quickly at our genomic sector stocks. Bluebird Bio is down, and they just had a 8K filing, and what they have said is that the lenders are got together and have decided to give them extra time to provide statement of accounts. So I think the market is not very impressed with Bluebird at this point of time. It's got a series of red candles. These are all called 3 crow patterns, very bearish pattern. Everything is looking weak for Bluebird. PSEB is up 0.74%, which is around a cent or so. Again, there is that swing trading opportunity out there in my opinion. IMTX was up 0.09% but could not manage to break through the resistance at 11.12, which I am going to convert into a thin red line. And then we have DNA, which was down 5.29%, Prime was down 0.70%, Allogene was down minus 0.75%, IO was up 2.46%, and mRNA was down 0.24, Beam down 0.60, Intelia down 2.43%, and Editas was up 0.94, ALT Immune was up 1.51%, Caribou Biosciences was up 2.84%, CRISPR Therapeutics was up marginally by just 17 cents or 0.36%, a very, very narrow candle body. I just released another video on CRISPR Therapeutics and their conditioning regimen. It's in the members only section right now. Non-members can see it tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Please watch that. I've given more information on their conditioning system and its relevance to its valuation, as well as competition in that area. Bionanogenomics is up 1.41%. ArcG is down 0.71%. Grail continues to be lagging. It's fallen down 4.79%, and again out of the wedge that we had there. Illumina is down 1.78%, and it has further made this bull channel more viable. So I got to watch this further. I would expect a little more consolidation for Illumina, so that we have this line somewhere out here. So we'll be moving sideways for the next few days, in my opinion, until we get a viable bull channel, and we'll be going up on that. And also you can see that at this point of time we are forming some kind of a cup and handle pattern. Let me try and see if I can identify anything right now. I'll spend a little time after this video is done so that I can try to identify if there is a cup and handle pattern out here. So this would be the cup, and the handle is being formed right now. Let me work on this and get back to you. This is a good possibility out there. Next we look at Verve, which was up 9.30%, and it's moved up smartly again, and I think there should be some news on Verve today because it's gone spectacularly up. I don't find any news articles so far. Maybe tomorrow I'll find it. If any of you know what's happening with Verve, please put it in the comment section. All of us can benefit from it. Momentum is really pretty good. Room in the RSI to become overbought, and then MACD is very bullish, moved away from the signal line. All good for Verve. So my friends, that's what we have out here. So overall, I'm pretty happy. I've recovered from my NVDA situation. My portfolio is looking pretty decent, and I think we are in for good times. Of course, a lot of market commentators are saying that September is going to be a bad month. But if it's just going to be one bad month, I don't mind riding it through. I won't make much of a change in my portfolio. Tonight I'm going to spend some time thinking whether I have to book profit on all my profitable counters by selling half of them and keeping cash handy in case things fall in September. I'll make that decision and I'll share that with you tomorrow. But for now, everything stays where they are, and I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.